What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Man, back with another video. This drop looks pretty nice. Before I get started, man, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. Now, as you guys can see from this picture, Sneakers went ahead and finally uploaded these stock images. This is for the Nike Dunklow University Reds. Personally, they're not looking too bad to me. I wanted to go ahead and make a video on them just because this is the year of the dunk, man. I don't care what anybody says. Shout out LaFlame. Shout out whoever else, all the SB skaters, but this is definitely the year of the dunk. Started last year with the hype, but here we are. Now today, Nike Sneakers app, the devil, went ahead and finally uploaded these stock images of this University Red colorway right here. I want to just go ahead and talk about them, kind of give my own little resale prediction, just because we've kind of been going through a couple rounds of these dunks that have been coming out, not specifically hype or anything, but these actually really caught my eye. So I want to go ahead and dive into these and let me know what you guys think. Let's get it started. So as you guys can see, Nike went ahead and really retroed these dunks. This all the way goes back to 1985 with the original colorways. Now, obviously, dunks did not come out in 1985. I think they started around 2000 or 2002 when really the SB wave was starting. It might have even been 2007. So dunk heads, please don't hate me. I'm definitely going to do my research on the next video. I think that's a good idea for me in terms of content. Anyway, as you guys can see from this image right here, it's a 3-pack that they're going ahead and releasing. These University Reds, these Brazils right here all the way on the right. The green and yellow joints that released about a week ago, and honestly I think it's really dope that we're getting some less hype dunk colorways, and just in general I think that it's nice that not everything has to have a collaboration attached to it, not everything has to have a celebrity rocking it, because honestly I think these dunks are the perfect way to really kind of upgrade your style and not do anything too extra but also keep it clean. So I really like these University Red colorways that I'm really talking about in this video, just because it's a clean white and red. It's not like I'm gonna own Chicago ones anytime soon because the prices are bananas, and I just wanted to go ahead and get your guys' thoughts on them. These are some actual product pictures, like I said. Now I wanted to go ahead and actually talk about those Brazils. As you can see right here, I went ahead and hopped on StockX. And by the way, I don't condone StockX at all. I really hate them. I've had awful experiences with them. I'll save that for another video as well. But the point of this is really just they're a good market indicator for, I guess, what would be fair prices or lower prices compared to boutiques and people that are just on an astronomical level with prices like Flight Club, Stadium Goods, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and check out how these Brazil dunks are doing right now. So as you guys can see from the video, the retail was $100, which, man, if you can hit and they maintain their value, it's obviously going to be, some money. The prices right now, they released on May 21st, so we're a couple days in, a couple days removed, about 8 days, a week or so. My size right here is going for $269, $270, let's call it $260 to $270. That's after a week after release. Most people have already gotten their pairs already, so I don't know, man. I think that these red ones might not be too bad. I just wanted to show you guys a cost analysis. If we were to sell right now, $227, we'd make about $120 profit on that 100 if you were to cop just for the 100, not including tax and all that, but $100 profit is not bad, especially with how crazy things are. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I think at the end of the day with resale, you might be able to make 100, 150, maybe 200 if you get them early. Red is a fire colorway, so I don't know. Calling it now, maybe 250 at the max, just because it's not really a hyped collab or anything, but we'll see. So another thing I wanted to actually go ahead and show you guys is the actual the resale numbers right now in the market for the off-white dunk lows. I think they released in December. I was fortunate enough to hit on the Michigan colorway, the blue and the yellow, as you guys can see in this picture right here. But yeah, they're all hovering in the 4s to 500s. I was hoping that based on just the colorway, we would kind of see what was the most hot, whether it was going to be the red or the blue or the green. and really they're all kind of doing the same numbers, anywhere from like 400 to 500, which of course is a come up. You know, the retail was like 100, maybe 110 with tax. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys just kind of like the trend of these sneakers. Again, my resale prediction for these, I think they might do better than the Brazil Dunks just because it's that Chicago white colorway, this university red. I think it's fire. If I can hit on a 13 for me, shoot, I think I'm going to definitely slide them into rotation just because I need another kind of beater, and it's just a clean colorway, man. I know I could style it with some nice fits, so yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this video for you guys. You know, I have a lot more free time on my hands now, and I've been enjoying making these videos, so let me know what you guys think. More content coming soon. If you haven't heard, you know, I was fortunate enough to hit on the Travis Scott Air Max 270 Cactus Trails last night, so I will be getting those in hand hopefully next week with the review, and if we get them sold, we'll get a review on feet. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and would you cop them? Would you drip them? Would you flip them? Let me know. Thanks, as always, stay safe, and thanks for cooking with us. Peace.